if you don't have this deuterium, this dose of deuterium coming in, you're almost allowing your cell to do more of the things that the cell does, especially at the mitochondria level. Your mitochondria starts working better. You start getting more energy. You start naturally feeling better. You're healing better.
You get a net energy benefit.
Got you.
And there's nothing really else that'll give you a net energy benefit in this way, because you're actually not, it's a different concept in that you're not putting anything in your body. It's about taking something out.
Right.
When you take something out, it's like taking out a limiter on your car, right? You just allow it to operate faster because you've taken those limiters away.
And the damage that deuterium, meaning hydrogen that is heavy because it has an extra neutron, it's a very well known now, it's not been known very long, how it actually damages the mitochondria itself, damages it to where the mitochondria cannot survive. So the deuterium is like a wrecking ball to mitochondria. Mm-hmm.